Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to send large files with WeTransfer. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go to WeTransfer.com, and this will be their homepage. And from here on the homepage, you will have two options. You can either sign up or you can just simply click on I just want to send files if you don't want to create an account. So from here, just simply go ahead and select add files over here. And after that, just simply select the file that you have. And as you can see, this file is 1.04 gigabytes. So this is a large file. And now just simply go ahead and click on it and click on open. And as you can see, you will have an option here, email to. So just simply provide the email where you are going to send it to. And as you can see, you can add up to 3 people, and down below just simply provide your email. And if we scroll down, guys, as you can see, you will have your message, which you can send a message or add additional info. And from here, when we click on 3 dots over here, as you can see, we will have two options, guys. We can send via link or we can send via email. So it will be depending on you. And as you can see, we have here expires as well. So from here, you will have an option if it will expire in 3 days or 7 days. And guys, once you are done, just simply click on transfer. And after that, guys, just simply check your email. And guys, the email will look something like this. So just simply copy this email, guys. And after that, just simply paste the verification code and click on verify. And from there, you'll be able to send this file to the person that you just provided. And that's simply about it. And as you can see, guys, when you are using a free version, you can only send up to 2 gigabyte. And if you want more and much larger file, just simply upgrade to their pro or the premium account that they have. And as you can see, you should be able to see here the features that comes with the subscription. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.